Preview.
Hello everyone and welcome to the new basic learning in the biology section, in which I am going to cover the chapter, or you can say the part of biology, what does mean biology. Okay, in this part I am going to tell you what is biology. So first of all we have to know what is science, because science, after that only the biology comes. So science is the organized body. Okay, what is science? Science is the organized body of knowledge supported by observation and experimentation. Okay, let me repeat you again that science is an organized body of knowledge supported by observation and experimentation. It means observe and experiment. Okay, first you have to observe that thing, and after that the experiment happens. Then comes the branches of science. There are three main branches you all know, that are physics, chemistry and biology. So in this part I am going to tell you the biology part, rest all keep aside. Then biology. What is biology? Biology, it is made up of two words, Greek word. Okay, biology दो वर्ड से मिलकर बना है, that is bios and logos. Bios means life and logos means study. And the proper definition of biology is the study of life. Here we are going to discuss the living organisms only. The life we are going to discuss. We are not going to discuss the things which are lifeless, or you can say non-living. Okay, biology means only the study of life. Then comes branches of biology. Branches, these are the branches. The branches are two, that is zoology and botany. What is zoology? In Hindi you can say Jantu Vigyan. Okay, in Hindi you can say Jantu Vigyan. Zoology is the study of animals. Okay, zoology is the study of animals. In this zoology we are going to discuss about the animals only. And the father of zoology is Aristotle. I hope you know that the father of zoology is Aristotle, and he wrote a book also. The name of the book is Historica Animatrium. The name Animatrium itself says, you can understand very well that the name Animatrium, it means animals. The study of animals we are going to discuss. Then comes botany. Botany is the study of plants, and in Hindi you can say Vanspati Vigyan. Okay, Vanspati Vigyan, and the botany is the study of plants. In this botany we are going to in the botany part we are going to discuss only about the plants. And the father of botany is Theophrastus. Okay, the father of botany is Theophrastus, and he also wrote a book that names, the name of that book is Historica Plankton. The name of the book is Historica Plankton. Now before moving forward, in the first part, okay, if you observe, और you can say आपने अगर ध्यान दिया हो मेरी बातों पे, तो आपने बोर्ड पे देखा होगा मैंने यहाँ पे बायोलॉजी लिखा था और उसके साइड में एक नाम लिखा था. नाम लिखा था जीन बैप्टिस्टे लेमा. Who is he? Jean Baptiste used the term biology, or you can say used the name biology in 1801. Okay, I hope you get the proper definition that I told you about the zoology, biology, botany and the other things I discussed. Now we come to the another branches of biology in terms of special groups of organisms. What is that? In terms of special groups of organisms. Okay, so there are certain branches. They are bacteriology. In the bacteriology we study used to study bacteria. We used to study the bacteria. Okay, Bacteriology is the study of bacteria, and next is virology. It is the study of virus. Okay, in the virology we study about the virus. Then mycology is the study of fungi. Okay, mycology is the study of fungi. Then algology, sorry for the disturbance because my room is on the roadside. Okay, then algology, the algology is the study of algae. Then comes entomology. Entomology is the study of insects. Okay, entomology is the study of insects. Ichthyology is the study of fishes. In the ichthyology we study about the fishes. Then herpetology is the study of reptiles. Reptiles you can say like snakes, lizards, etc. Okay. Then ornithology is the study of birds. In ornithology we study only about the birds. Now this is about in terms of approach on studying it. Okay, what is this? In terms of approach on studying it. Okay, now let's start one by one. Anatomy. This is the study of gross structures of the organs in an organism. Of the organs in an organism. Suppose this is an organism and the organs inside the organisms as seen in dissection. In the bigger classes, you can say 12th and 11th and 12th, the dissection is done. Okay, before it is not possible, or in some schools it is there, dissection part. 12th or 11th you will be doing the dissection. Okay. Then let me repeat this definition again. The study of gross structure of the organs in an organism as seen in dissection. Then morphology. Morphology is the study of form. Okay, एक form होती है ना, जैसे एक form में रख दिया इसको वैसी. The study of form and structure of plants and animals. Structure of plants and animals. Okay, then comes histology. What is histology? Let's see. The study of minute structure. Minute mean you can say very tiny. You can say it cannot be seen with the naked eye. It will be more clear. It will be easily seen with the help of only a compound microscope. Then minute structure or tiny bits of the body. Okay, tiny bits of the body at tissue level. At tissue level as seen with the help of a compound microscope. I tell you before that it can be seen only with the help of a compound microscope. Then cytology. Cytology is the study of structures and function. Structures and function of plants and animal cells. Here it is about the cells. Plants and animals cells. The structure and function you are going to study. Okay. Cell function and cell structure about the plants and animals. Then physiology. What is physiology? Physiology is the study of metabolism. What is this? Metabolism. That you can mean that functions and activities. Functions and activities of organisms and their parts. Organisms and their parts. Then comes ecology. Ecology is the study of relationship of an organism. Relationship of an organism to both its biotic and abiotic environment. Biotic means living and abiotic means non-living. Okay. Then comes biogeography. The study of geographical distribution of plants and animals. The study of geographical distribution of plants and animals. Then comes paleontology. Paleontology is the study of prehistoric forms of life. Prehistoric forms of life through fossils of plants and animals. Through fossils of plants and animals. Then comes evolution. Evolution is the study of origin and descent of organisms. Origin and descent of organisms. Then the next part is that how biology helps us in the life, you can say, or what are the benefits of biology in life. Then we are with, I am here that the study of biology helps us in many ways. Let's see one by one. Number one, I have taken that appreciation of nature. Okay, the world of plants and animals is so vast. The world of animals and plants is so vast and varied that one wonders at it. Then biology helps us to understand the basic unity of all living things. Okay? Helps us to understand the basic unity of all living things. Living things in their essential features. Then the second part is keeping us healthy. Biology helps us in keeping us healthy. Then biology helps us to understand the causes of many diseases. How the disease is spread, why it spreads, or you can say why this disease happens in our body. You can say the detail of disease we can understand with the help of biology, and it has shown us how germs spread through persons or through insects, you can say, or through wind or water. Okay, then this knowledge helps us to take proper care. Okay, biology, it means this knowledge helps us to take proper care of our health and live longer. Now the third point is conservation of natural resources. Then biology has helped us to understand the interdependence of plants and animals. Okay, to understand the interdependence of plants and animals, then biology has made both the people and government. Biology has made both the people and government realize the dangers of cutting down of forest and indiscriminate of killing of animals. Okay, or you can say deforestation, cutting down of forest, you can say deforestation. Then comes cutting down of forest is afforestation. Okay, dangers of cutting down of forest is afforestation and the indiscriminate killing of wild animals. Then comes fourth point is growing more food. Biology helps us in growing more food, that is new varieties of plants and new breeds of cattle. New breeds of cattle, poultry, etc. are being developed with the knowledge of diseases of plants and animals and how to cure them. Then all these efforts are helping us to produce more food in field, dairies and poultry farms. Then the fifth point is making us conscious citizen. Biology helps us in making us conscious citizen. That means biology helps us in solving problems of sanitation, public health, water supply, etc. Then biology is necessary for certain careers. Why? One may choose to be a doctor, or if he is interested in the medical side or the science side, it helps us making his career. That is, there are many careers which are open to the student of biology, that means medical side or you can say science side. Then one may choose to be a doctor, as I told you, a dentist, a bacteriologist, a pathologist, a forester, a teacher, a veterinary doctor, biotechnologist, and so on. Then I hope this part is clear to you. It is the biology part in which I have told you that what is biology, what does itself mean, who used the term first used the term biology, in which year, or who is the father of zoology, or you can say the branches of biology are two branches, that is zoology and botany. What is botany? What is zoology? Who is the father of zoology? Who is the father of botany? Which book the father of father of zoology wrote, or who was the father of botany, who which book he wrote. Okay, then we also discussed that in terms of major special groups of organisms also. In that we discussed the ichthyology, ornithology, morphology, bacteriology, virology, mycology, and so on. And in the last part we have discussed the benefits in life. Okay, biology helps us in many ways that I have told you in real life. So this was the biology section. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more latest updates. Thank you for watching.